Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a new important template added in AI tool. So where you can analyze page-wise of your reference paper, that is, you can get page-wise summary and inference of that important points in that particular page of your reference paper. This will very helpful for literature review, especially those who are preparing review paper. This one will be a better option for you to make use of this to make a better review paper for your research paper writing. So let us go on to today's video and see how that AI template will work out. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct a live MATLAB workshop EV charging station with PV and wind energy as source. So in this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy as source, and we are going to implement maximum power point tracking techniques in that PV and wind energy sources to extract a maximum power from them. And then we are going to incorporate it with EV electric vehicle charging station, and we are going to analyze how it will work out while incorporating that renewable energy sources with EV, that is EV charging station. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So if you are interested in designing electric vehicle charging station in MATLAB, so this is an opportunity for you. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, so go to LMS Research Support. So here you can see different types of LMS AI templates. So in this AI templates, a new template is added called that is chat with PDF text. So just click on that chat with PDF text. So it leads to a dashboard like this here. So in this you can upload your PDF. That PDF can be converted into a page-wise content. So then you can get a page-wise summary and inference from that particular page. So this is what we are going to explore today. So let us check it out with some paper. So in order to do that, I am going to upload a PDF file, that is PDF to text convert extractor. So here you can see that you can add any PDF file here. So for example, I am going to add this one. So optimization of controller parameters for grid tied photovoltaic system at faulty network using artificial neural network based 𝐝𝐸𝐴𝐸 algorithm. So this is the paper I am going to upload. So go to the template, choose a file here. So go to desktop and then upload that file. So click on upload. Yes, here you can see that the page wise content will be generated. So here you can see the option called pages. So first page, second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page, sixth page, seventh page, up to 10th page, the content will be generated. So how much page that reference paper will be, the page wise content will be generated. For example, if you need content from that, that is, you have to analyze the first page of that particular that is PDF. So copy that first page and then you can paste here, that is first page. So after that you will be having different that is options and analysis. Summarize the content. You can summarize the first page and explain the content. You can give this prompt that explain the content, or else inference from the content. So what is the content is all about, and then method used in this content. So these are the 4 different important options, especially this prompt are designed for to get a better literature review. So first one, I am going to use this summarize the content option. So I am going to use summarize the content. So and then click ask a question. So it will take several seconds to generate the content. So it will summarize the content. Here you can see that the summarized version of the content will be generated here. So here you can see the research article presents a study on optimizing controller parameters for a grid tied PV system. So the research used response surface methodology to develop mathematical model of the system and proposes modification the 𝐭𝐡𝐢𝐳 algorithm for optimal controller parameter extraction. The study compares the performance of the system with optimized values. So like that it is generate the that is summarized version of the content. Next, if you want to explain the content, so just explain the content, like that you can give, just give explain the content. So it will take several seconds to generate that, that is explain the content. You will get a detailed explanation for that content. So here you can see that The research article focus on optimizing the controller parameters for grid-tied PV system. So like that, a detailed explanation for that content will be generated here. So after that, what you can do is, so you can ask inference from the content, inference from the content, and then click ask questions. So here you can see this is what inference from that particular content. The research article discusses the optimization of controller parameters for a grid-tied photovoltaic system in the event of faulty network using an artificial neural network based 𝐝𝐸 algorithm. So like that, it will generate the inference from that content. So what that content says, what that content will all about. So like that, it will generate the content. So next, last one is that method used in the content. So like that, you can give a input, so and then click on ask questions. So here it will shows what are the different methods used in this content. So for single content, that is single page alone, so you can get 4 different types of contents. So here you can see that this is what the methods used. So it explores different types of method used and what are the softwares are used to make this model working. So like that, it will generate a brief explanation for that methods used in this content. So you can make use of this option in this chat with PDF text to analyze your reference paper page wise. So that is very important. Especially while using a chat PDF, so you can upload and you can ask any questions, or there will be a readily available questions. So from that questions, it will generate answer. So but this one will be especially designed for our research analysis. So in all the question we have generated here. So here you can see that all the questions are very important for making literature review. Summarize the content, explain the content, inference from the content, method used in this content. So like that, you can get the page wise. So if you want the second page and go to second page, again do the same again. So like that, you can ask anything that is the 4 important things related with the literature review you can ask. So after that, if you want the third section, if you want the 4th section, if you want the 5th, that is 5th page. So like that, you can get a page wise detailed explanation of that particular paper. So this will be very useful for those who are making review paper writing. So as people who are writing review paper must have to analyze your reference papers bits and pieces. So this will be a better tool for you to upload your PDF, and then you can convert into a page wise content. That page from that page wise content, you can get a detailed and a perfect explanation each and every part of your research paper. So that is reference papers. So make use of this option to make your research paper writing, and we are taking this research paper, that is literature review analysis, to the next level. So this is the new template added. So you can make use of this option to make your literature review very broadly and a detailed literature review for you. So next one is as far as plans and pricing is concerned. So here you can see there are 3 options for available, that is LMS basic plan, that is at 0. So you can access our LMS basic plan templates for unlimited for 7 days. Next, LMS AI Pro plan. So you can use the Pro plan templates at just ₹99 for 1 month. You can have unlimited access. Next, LMS AI Ultimate plan at just $199. You can have access, unlimited access for 1 month. So you can use our LMS AI Ultimate plan template. So and also in Ultimate plan template, so you will be having that plan for $699. So here in LMS AI Ultimate plan template, so you will be having 1 plagiarism report plus AI direction report per day. So you can access up to 1 month, that is you can generate up to 30 plagiarism report and 30 AI direction per day at just $699. So you can make use of this ultimate plan. So if you want plagiarism direction and AI direction by turn it in per day, so per day you can get 1 report. So you can make use of this option using this $699 plan. So next one is LMS AI premium plan at just $999. You can have unlimited access for 1 year for all our templates. The important thing is that every month a new template will be updated, especially for research. As like we have discussed today, there is a new template will be updated for every month, so you can make use of this option to make your research paper writing very simple. All this plagiarism removal service will be done by our experts without changing the core meaning of the sentences in your research paper. LMS AI research templates. So this new template will be very helpful for those who are making literature review. So here you can see that LMS AI basic templates. These are the basic templates. Next, these are the pro templates. Next, these are the ultimate templates. So for ultimate AI plus plan, so you can have unlimited access to all our ultimate templates, and also you can have plagiarism plus AI direction by Turnitin one per day. That is, you can check up to, for example, if you subscribe this ultimate plus plan, so at $6.99, so you can check up to 1 month per day, you can check for plagiarism by Turnitin. So you can also make use of this option. So this is all about this LMS AI templates and plans. So make your research paper, our main objective is to make your research paper writing simple. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.